The seasonal process of disassembly for winter storage and reassembly in the spring can result in some minor damage to some of the components of your fountain. The twist and lock assembly of this fountain incurred some minor damage, which we're going to fix with some glue and some epoxy putty. We're using the LePage Gel Control Super Glue. It's available pretty much everywhere. Smaller pieces can be glued together before attaching the larger piece back into place. This gel control product has a squeeze applicator that makes the application really easy. Be sure to wear gloves and store this product properly. We're going to reinforce this repair using the Odie brand Fix-It stick or epoxy putty, a 2-part resin and hardener that comes in a stick and is easy to just knead in your hands, rolling it around until you get a consistent color to fully activate the hardener. As it sets in under 10 minutes, we recommend doing smaller areas using smaller bits through multiple applications. We're tackling the smaller areas with small gaps first. We'll then reinforce the strength of the ring by adding some putty to the inside of the ring to build up that area to increase its strength. We recommend giving it about an 8-hour dry time to make sure that it properly cures, giving it the strength that you need. You can trim off any excess with an X-Acto knife. We'll now disguise our repair using the Rust-Oleum brand 2X Ultra Cover. It's both a paint and a primer. It's a great product. We'll use this same process to touch up a couple dings and nicks that are a natural part of maintaining your fountain. While the epoxy is in the final stages of curing, we can use our X-Acto knife to trim off the excess and also to texture the area to better disguise the repair. After allowing at least 8 hours cure time on our epoxy, we're going to dab some of that Ultra Cover Rust-Oleum paint to cover our repair. Can also be used to cover up any scratches or other paint areas as part of the normal maintenance process. After proper dry time, we're able to now reassemble our fountain and get it back up and running.